If you're looking for a brand new integrated laundry appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. When you're buying an integrated washer-dryer, the only dimension you'll really need to check is the depth dimension. It can vary from 55 centimeters to 60 centimeters, but always make sure to leave an extra 3 centimeters at the back for your pipes. The other two dimensions are standard, with their heights measuring 82 centimeters and their widths 60 centimeters, so you won't really need to worry too much about either. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can relax and enjoy your new appliance.